I've got this box here for you, and I'm really excited to show you guys what's inside. Let's take a peek. When I think about what got me really interested in science when I was growing up, it brought me back to thinking about dinosaurs. When I was young, I was always fascinated with dinosaurs and everything about them. And I've also always loved space. So I've got some things in here that kind of represent all the aspects of those. One of the first things I'm going to pull out and see are some fossils. So this is a fossil that I actually found, and you can see that there's a fossilized organism here. And there's also an imprint fossil right there. Here's a part of a jawbone of some ancient creature. It just gets my imagination flowing, thinking about how old this is and what this organism must have looked like and what they were doing all of those years ago. Here's another marine creature. And I just always loved really, really cool rocks and minerals. And here's some really cool rocks and minerals that I inherited from a former geology teacher that I'll use to put in my classroom. What I'm about to pull out next might be my absolute favorite, because I told you not only do I like dinosaurs and rocks and minerals, but I also love space and everything involved with space. So here is a rock from space. This is actually a piece of a meteorite that crashed to Earth, and I actually got this from my brother, which also makes it important to me. I'm really excited for all the cool things we're going to do in science this year, and I hope some of the things that we do get you inspired and loving science as much as we do.